To date, I'm all over the place. I'm geeking out on this. So Norm, you might have to like rein me in at some point. A little loophole I sort of found right now, and we've just begun exploiting, is let's say that you're 4 months, 5 months, 6 months out on your product coming to market. I work with a lot of products that have a 60-day lead time, 30 days on the water. Seems to be about 2 weeks connecting with these boats, then another 2 weeks getting to Amazon. And if you had to go through a sample process, we're not at 120 days, but say you're in one of those predicaments and you want to use Amazon Live, you have brand registry, and you're frustrated because you don't know what to do, and you somehow want to take advantage of the fourth quarter. A loophole that I found, I don't know if it's a loophole, but I think it's a loophole, is you're able to create through Amazon CreateSpace, well, Kindle Direct Publishing now, KDP, you're able to upload a doc, a manuscript of a book. I'm not talking Stephen King novels, so don't freak out on me, but like something complementary to your product, like a mini book. And you're able to then have that Kindle book moved over as a paperback book. So what you do is you're now, and you have to use your own ISBN number for this to work, you're now going to order author copies of that book, and you're going to list them via Seller Central. So you're now going to create a separate offering. And when you create the listing on Amazon now through Seller Central, you're able to give it your own brand, which would be the brand of the product that's coming in. Having that product is enough for you to now begin being able to utilize Amazon Live Video. So you could technically, this is like a little workaround to be able to get in quick and be able to start building with Amazon Live in anticipation of your product coming.
So I had no idea. That's a great tip. I had no idea. I never thought of that. So just to get it straight, if you want to, your product's on the water and you want to get registered so you can take full advantage of Amazon Live, all you do is go into Kindle, turn that product, like, something about gnomes, Norm the Gnome, and, whatever the brand is, get it over there as the paperback. You can then start and register with Amazon Live. Is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, the registering live would be, yes, the brand registry side of it. But once you go on brand registry and you're going live, you need to have some product to be able to connect to it. They're not just going to let you get up there and riff. So that connection is going to be that book. I know somebody else that recently tried this actually with shirts, and they did the same thing with merch, and they just wanted to shortcut this. And in a second, I'll tell you why I think that is extremely important, not to mention brilliant, is you get a merch shirt, and like, in case you're wondering, those books, I believe you definitely know, Norm, but you can get author copies for like $1.50 to $2.50 a book of your book on Amazon. So you're not spending much money, and there's no minimum order quantity. You can order 50 books, 20 books delivered to you with free 2-day shipping. Gotta love it. So you can do the same thing with shirts on Merch by Amazon. You could technically grab some shirts or grab something else, get some good quality stuff because this is your brand. But again, this is just a workaround to get in